we are back to finish off this roof to put on some Ankor Wax and get it sealed up so we can move on to this panel, onto the rest of the panels. Probably starting on this one, probably straight onto the sander, finish off the grill, and then the doors. Till that last right hand panel, not too much on there. It'll be in the other side as well and finish that off. But I'm just going to give her a clean, get the dust off overnight. Dust settled, but not too bad. Not too bad. While I'm cleaning this roof, getting it ready for some Ankor Wax, let's talk racing stripes. So as you've probably seen, I may have talked about it in previous episodes. Yeah, bare metal and black racing stripes. Starting on the bonnet on this crease line, 2. So 1 stripe here, 1 stripe, centimetre gap or 2 centimetre gap between the stripes, running up the bonnet, right up the roof. So pretty much most of it, big stripes I'm thinking, make it look wide. And then following down onto the boot. Already trialed them on the boot, just with plastic dip. I'll put some pictures or some video up of what I did before. And the cool thing about plastic dip, it's easy to get off, peels off. Yeah, I like it. I think it's going to be cool. I actually saw down here in Tassie, they have a cars and coffee thing down at down by the beach, first Sunday of every month. So it's on again tomorrow, which happens to be Father's Day. Good excuse to go down there. And last time I was there was the Shelby Cobra, bare metal with racing stripes. Obviously, I'm not comparing the Shelby to this humble Fiat in any way, shape or form, but it looked really cool. His bodywork was immaculate, as you'd expect, or she, I didn't see the driver. But if they're there tomorrow, I'm just going to ask them how they seal their bare metal. I'm pretty sure these stripes looked like they were plastic dipped on, not painted, but we'll ask him that as well if I'm there. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. Clean it once just using some degreaser, but I've got a clean cloth now, so I'm just going to hit it with a good slap of degreaser and then just clean it off. Or any trouble. It's the weekend, so I don't travel alone. No, it's cool. Dinosaur time again, mate. Oh, he's off. Alright. Clean cloth. Keep going. Roof's all dry, clean. It's Ankor Wax time. Let's do it. So I've applied it all. I'm just going to go over it with the brush and just rub it in a bit more, or brush it in a bit more. Yeah, you don't seem to have to put a lot on to get coverage. I'm not sure if you can like rub it in with a cloth. I can't really find much literature or instruction on it, but I think, because I'm not thinking this is going to be final anyway, oh yeah, this is starting to dry up pretty quick, and then it might go on a bit smoother, you know. Can you see that? Yeah. Yeah, it starts to dry up, get a bit sticky. I'm not worried about brush marks, and what I'm really just interested in is stopping any further rust at the moment, but yeah, I'll just go around it all, and then we should be done. I might give the rest of the car a bit of a clean if I've got time. Surprise! Thought I'd chuck the grill on and put it on for a while. Yeah, it looks nice. Also wanted to see how much yellow paint was showing, to see how meticulous I had to be. I think I just really need to work on the top bit underneath the bonnet there. The roof's done. Paint's off, Ankor Wax on. Yay. So pretty happy about that. Pretty happy about that. You probably can't see too well, but kind of look how cool their sides look. So, roof's done, roof's done, bonnet's done. So next week, we'll work on these sides. Do the rear. Yeah, plenty to do. I might take some photos. Yeah, I might put some photos up. Till next time.